Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. If you own an 11th generation Civic and you need to change your tire, a tire for any reason whatsoever, and you're going to see right here, this is going to be your wheel lock. And you might say to yourself, well, I can't get the lug wrench to turn that. Let me show you what you need to do. It's pretty easy to deal with these 11th generation Civics, as it is with most vehicles. Most likely it's going to be right here in the glove box. Let me reach inside, and it's going to be inside of this bag. That kind of makes it easy to know what it is, doesn't it? In fact, that's actually it right there, basically. So let's see here. Can I do this one-handed and get this thing open for you? Here we go. And here is the wheel lock key. This is what you're going to insert into the lug wrench, and then it's going to go onto the wheel lock right here. Get it on there for you, and as you can see, that fits on there snugly. This is for the 11th generation Civics, and really no different than any other Civic from the last couple of generations. So that should help you out, hopefully, if you need to know where your wheel lock key is located. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.